The 2026-2027 Betway Premiership is officially underway, and we are excited to bring you the action that took place this past weekend. And South Africans, I don't know if you're sad, excited, or how do you feel about the departure of coach Hugo Bruce, who was the Bafana Bafana coach, the longest serving Bafana Bafana coach, 5 years, as he was signed in May 2021. And he did the most unthinkable for Bafana Bafana. Took us back to glory days when he got the bronze, as well as making history for the first time in the World Cup, qualifying for the round of 32. We are unpacking all of that in this episode today. Hello, hi, I'm Ntlanhla Sechele, and on my left, I've got Junior Kanye. This episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting, hashtag WSB, hashtag bet with the best. Junior, my brother, how are you doing?
Enhlanhla sister kunjani mfethu?
Ngikrend wena?
Ngimnandi kakhulu.
Hayi no, ngiyabonga. Before siqala iprogram, asibuze umfana uya kanjani uMichael?
Yeah, no, uMichael recover. Honestly, recover umfana. Esana umfana mana sangavelile into grand yabo. Accident and mara ngoba uNkulunkulu khona nebakaNkambule nalabo abakasitshele nebakakhanye babambisene. Amfana uza kahle and yeah. Lento emenzakalela is right yeah nathi sithashile especially man. Uyazi close kangakanani uMichael me and you yabo.
Yeah.
So kunabantu abamthandayo so umfana uza kahle Nhlanhla but man azange avelele into grand.
Yeah, and thank you so much to those people that are sending messages of recovery for Michael. We'll keep you guys posted with the progress yakhe ihamba kanjani. So thank you so much. All right, let's talk about the Betway Premiership 2025-2026 season. It started well. It started, unfortunately, with Sundowns as well, not being able to take part in it because they were late in their preseason due to the funeral of Jaden Adams. They were the only ones, as well as Marumo Gallants, that did not play this past weekend. And the rest, let's start with great news. Kaizer Chiefs started on a very, very good note. They started well. They are on top of the league. And could this be a statement that Kaizer Chiefs is making to say, we are on top and we are going to be keeping this the whole season? Let's talk about the game itself. We'll come back to the Pirates game and talk about the season and what we can expect from the players as well. Kaizer Chiefs, 3-1, a brace from Wandile Duba, and a beautiful goal that was scored early on, rather. And Duba came in and finished it with a brace. Talking about the performance, people were very excited and they played like the Kaizer Chiefs that wants to win anything and everything there is to win. What do you make of that game?
Yeah, congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. Qala season kahle. Ba win friendly game iToyota Cup.
Yes,
understand.
yes,
and
yeah.
I think very important lonto le for confident yabo. Noma supporters came in numbers. Ngikhuluma ngale game le Toyota Cup. Bekuyi build up obvious.
Yes.
Kule game le official le Betway Premiership 2026-2027 le against Kruger.
Yeah.
I think bazaplayile yabo sengikhuluma psychologically, physical, energy level.
Yes.
Sikhuluma ngama player Kaizer Chiefs iqale leya season. I think they deserve to win their game. Not one of the best game, honestly, but they deserve compared to Kruger because Kruger are going to the game a team inexperienced team. Yeah, well, yes, I saw 2-3 players, former Sekhukhune, former Swallows player Ndlovu. Not a team. My experience. Yeah, my experienced players mixed with young. It's more of inexperienced team players. But they assembled a choice to sign players in pre-season before when the period starts. Before the kickoff, Betway Premiership starter. So many of us blame going to Mbombela. I think Kaizer Chiefs going there, they were ready from the first whistle. For me, very dynamic.
Yeah.
Very, very. I think the coach of Kaizer Chiefs in thing noticing the Cruz. He believe in attacking forward players, midfielders. I'm talking about front three. You understand? Not like midfield. Wing back. Yes, they can support them there, but he rely on attacking players. I think for me Nhlanhla, lo mfana lo on the left hand side.
Oh yeah, no,
Yeah,
continue.
for me, mangiba nje in effect, this is a game whereby ngizosho they never created so many chances, but ama chances about thulile bawusebenzisile. And I think first half it was a game of badlale ngama pitches. Bobona ukuthi pre-season babuya ku pre-season both teams. Big game almost a balance. Yes, ukuthi akusukuthi ngithi Kruger they were on top of them. No. Kruger bebayenza so many mistakes. Kaizer Chiefs they pressed them, panicking at the back. I understand the coach issue thini ukuthi mayengabe banikele instruction ukuthi baqala iball at the back, and you don't have those type of players. Now you end up udlala ama cross pass, wenza ama decision wrong. Cause bebayini Kaizer Chiefs iball up front. And well done to Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi punish. I think ukuba press alabafana they show experience compared to Kruger Chiefs, and it pays off. Yabo Chiefs they deserve. First half joba ngisho being a game that you can tell who's going to win. Second half Chiefs dominated the game, honestly. Ama changes by the Tutuba.
Yeah.
Not much of Mfundo. Njoba ngishilo Mfundo uqale kahle mfethu ngale Toyota Cup, but Mfundo ngihlale ngisho la Mfundo mawuba nama expectations kuye bafana nabo Mfundo similar yam compare now Duba young so-called youngsters Chiefs abanama moments badlala abona bazokusurprise sometimes la ungabagadanga le baveza la bagade khona bavili, but hold on to Duba. I think he came reading the game from the bench. Ubonile ukuthi okay, Silva, one thing, it doesn't move off the ball. It doesn't move. Uthatha isikhathi angathashi ibhola. The reason athatha isikhathi uhleli lapha. But I think coach ama tactics nayo wayo. Team Chiefs is structured too much, man. On and off the ball. Team abivulile ama winger ahlala elayinini. Mfundo uhlala elayinini. The other winger konje bebadlala ngoba no left. I forgot ngizobuya manje ngizorecall now. The other winger ihlala on the line now, and it doesn't make sense for me. Isolated to Silva, Mabuye noNdlovu. Angibelieve ukuthi bekumele adlale nga two defensive midfielders. Mawudlala ngeteam istructure kangaka kumele ube na double 10. I understand omunye supported the other side ngoba ama winger stretchile ngithi ngapha no Silva isolated. And yeah, but bona second half they deserved, honestly. They never lost the ball much. Each and every chance bebayisebenzisa. Duba got 2 chances finished. Perry. And the movement of the ball, well done to the boy.
Yeah.
For me, man of the match, I think it is ngiyazi ukuthi bamnikele lo mfana. Or the left hand side to lo mfana buya ku Ajax. Lo konje bambiza ngobani, I'll recall his name. Lo ozenovele payda.
Yeah.
Udlalile lo mfana. Yes, he deserved 9 men of the match. I had 2 men of the match, but the other one scored 2 goals. Zange be match is like you writing bathi ibhala incwadi inhlanhla. Uthatha ipen mina bakanginiki ipen, so ithume lesibhale wena ubhala incwadi, and then start maybe 30 minutes uqalile or an hour mina banginiki ipen bathi ngibhale. And mina when uyiqeda incwadi kuyibhala mina ngingayiqedi, but the important things ekumele engizishilo la kulena esidlula lento zibhale lapho. To me, he never touched ibhola too much lo mfana lo uDuba, but usebenzisa ama chance wakhe, and uye wayifunda igame yonke enhlanhla. He saw exactly ukuthi I problem eKruger kuphi, and wayese 2 center back kwiKruger. I think lo mfana ubahlakaniphele kumove off the ball, and bakwazanga ukudila nalo nto le, but udlalile lo mfana lo odlala on the left, Batman udlalile. It's Batman. Yeah, Batman. He had a good game, very dynamic speed. I think na first half really player ngathi ku Chiefs, I think ngizoma isolator compare ama winger i2 Chiefs. Udlalile lo mfana ngoba bebangam, there was no number 10 supplier and bega drafter in abuyele ngaphandle, and every time he got the ball uba threat. And now uye beka turn le defense, and angeke ucreate ama chance ungatheni defense. Udlalile lo mfana honestly, and I think because bekadlalela phambi kwepali bekazogora even first half that boy, because bekayifuna le game. Umbonile second half bese kangena phakathi ibhola kwelinye iside ungena phakathi and ubambe elinye shot ngo left, goalkeeper saves. So Kaizer Chiefs deserved that game winner, and also they maintain that game honestly, and mbonile bakhipha uboya benyati because of the yellow card. Reckless naye man, the way adlala ngakhona, and sometimes you get away njengala season ngambona badlala neSundowns wadlala he got away with that, but other referees will give red card immediately. So mele ayilungise ubuya benyati, because this is a game of football game, sports, I understand, and we need to singalimazi career abanye abantwana. Yes, I know it's hard, but the way nokuya ngakhona i danger kakhulu, and coach wayibona nge-yellow card and then wam-eliminate. Yeah, no, bona badlalile, I need to be honest. Angeke blame Kaizer Chiefs because of those guys, they never pitch up. But Chiefs deserve to win that game. Mele ngibe never. Not one of the best Joma ngisho game. First half ibe nama patches. Second half I think by Lungisa. Yeah, I understand that. And badlalile. Yeah, I have to compliment this boy Batman. I have to compliment Tutuba. Mabuye second half, yes. Kunenkunze phasa eshayile ngibonile, giving this boy uDuba and then finish. Nabe seka confidence second half uMabuye. I was a bit surprised ukuthi why, ngoba ngimbonile last season mabamthola towards eyophela udlalile uMabuye.
So continuing la gcine khona.
Yeah, especially second half, ithi ngikhuluma ngasekond half, and much better. Any defense yabo okay, never tested umele sibe never, but solid. Ngibonile badlala ngokwinyika, same type of players. Too many mistakes for me, Mikel. You need to fix. You get other players, but pass ibhola u1 ukhipela amabhola wakhabela ngaphandle standing. Yabo, I don't understand, and you make mistakes. Khona elinye ibhola bal interceptile at 12 cover, you wait for striker Sunday. If you get the experienced player, you get punished. Now we game yonke change dimension a game. So number mistakes. I don't think there's link between him and Kwinyika. Malumlo isano khona, I thought bebazomnika touch. For me, angazolimela mara ngimbona on the bench kushuta kalimala.
Yeah.
But play him.
Just didn't get a chance.
Yeah, play him. I mean, you're leading 3-1. Just challenge him minutes.
Test.
Yeah, I understand. So nenye into mele batholi left wing back, honestly. Yeah, Frosler tactically not much, but Chiefs I deserve to win the game. Just kuphendula Nhlanhla baqale kahle. I think izolo left confident, and yeah, baqale kahle season.
Yeah, baqale kahle season, and Orlando Pirates also baqale season kahle, playing against Milford FC Arena. And Pirates started where they left off last season with a sold out affair. It was they said the game was sold out, and people were there. They showed up. And a beautiful moment came from Mfana Police when he scored in the 23rd minute. And when he scored in the 23rd minute, he lifted 2 and 3, the jersey number that was played by Jaden Adams, who we all know. It was a very, very special moment for him as well. And starting the season like that. Initially, Bebate uzohamba. There were rumors that he was not going to be part of the Pirates team this season, but ugcine adlala, and he started the campaign very well. 2026-2027.
Nhlanhla, well done to Police ukora first goal yakhe ku 2026-2027 season. Well done. Well done to our fans Orlando Pirates, because players they need our fans
to be.
Well done to Kaizer Chiefs fans as well. Players they need fans, especially these two teams.
Yeah.
Ngihlale ngi-Chiefs and Pirates banendlela abadlala ngayo. Mina ngisurpriseki nge-Pirates fans they come in numbers. Nhlanhla Orlando is slaughter.
Yep.
The winning style. Pirates are winning nje. Mina club ke after Sundowns, for me, ngoba Sundowns is provile. Azange vele they go and win the second star. They play sometimes they have to prove themselves. You understand ukuthi nababe amongst the team abazokhuluma ngayo in Africa as a whole and in South Africa. So Mario Orlando Pirates mfethu, you expect a brand of football exciting. They attack you. You understand, and bengifuna ukubabona without really.
Yes,
you understand. But
that's
the Pirates,
what everybody wanted to see.
Yeah, but if I can be honest, they got 3 chances. It came, I think, be early, 20 minutes, 15, I think 15 minutes. Already, they created 3 chances. Player now. They've got players who can make things happen. They play as a team, but also there's individual talents at their team, special talent, individual, and. Yeah, laba gcine khona baqhubekile, and they play against Milford. Ake Milford mina ngiyayicomplimenta compared to Kruger. Well structured project team. Mele ngibe nevar leya team leya isizini mayiphela bazoyichapha njenge Stellenbosch. There's individual talent there. They build up very well. I think iqale so. Ukuya kule game ba press Orlando Pirates, those guys. Bangavumeli Orlando Pirates. Bayazi ukuthi I build up a team njengabo Pirates and Sundowns. Once ongaba president iqala la yabo because the confident now ukuzolinka abo talent bafana nabo Debs ku Sundowns abo Jaden bona abo Allende you understand Tansil deserve man of the match namfana ukhulile khulile Nhlanhla Nhlanhla man kunento engayisho ngicela ucompliment development ye South African football one bheka ama awards they dominate awards really from development school of excellence ngikhala ngikhuluma ngedevelopment you can't go ungangeke noma ungayibhala phansi ngeke singabaleki
yeah all right it is cutting Pirates then sizobuya kuma awards ke
sizobuya ukukutshela nje ngicela nje le topic Nhlanhla after ngilo so Nhlex honestly speaking truly speaking Pirates ibe deserve nje kuyiwina le game though njoba ngisho Milford tried yabo it's good coaches
especially they tried you know I mean for 2-0 and playing against a team like Orlando Pirates it wasn't you know what I mean and it was a slaughterhouse so it wasn't a bad start for them either
going to Orlando Nhlex playing an open game yabo pressing Orlando Pirates and uzame by all means when you got the ball you play not to say you close Orlando Pirates and then you don't play and they've got very comfortable players on the ball yabo abantu aba technically very good movement of the ball very good players honestly well assembled team njoba ngisho ngale project isizini mayiphela yabo iqhaqa le team yabo some players laba abantu laba their team if izodlala so isizini yonke khona bazothola isibhacu la yabo laba abantu ngiyacabanga ku top 8 banga finish if bazoqhubeka so yabona but now I'm sure watching the video they will get confident with chances anzobona this is I think just the thinking yabo now they build up very well in midfield yabo I saw they very comfortable they compete against talent battle naye uDanson ba compete masonganye as well ba compete I problem yabe up front three yabo inexperience menza ama decision wrong ba Russia bebathukiwe some players first time being on TV and it's understandable some players they know psychological uthi pha abanye abantu baye Orlando bathola 8-7 so playing against Pirates some 8-9 players 9 at World Cup 8 and iba psychological obvious the coach everyone bekhona that concern but I mean they were so composed and badlalile bazamile angangi fault Milford ukuthi idliwe 2-0 izame kakhulu just that they play against strong Orlando Pirates
of course
experienced players njengoba ngishilo individual well assembled team ngihlale compliment management ichairman yabo Pirates mfethu no Nhlanhla dangerous sikhuluma ama defending champions if mawugoliath everybody want to ufuna ukushaya
of course
double up effort uza but Pirates mina for me I think not the best nabo game but I deserve because how many chances they created to the game you understand
and do you think it was a good decision for Pirates because there were rumors that Coach Wadu might be leaving this season. Do you think it's a good thing that they retained him so that we can see if he's able to repeat what he did last season?
He continued right. Why fix it if it's not broken? Wadu Polela's. Thatha isikhathi ukuthi ngimvumele yabo because omunye umuntu fana nawo mabangakunika Orlando Pirates manje you just coordinate uzoqhubeka la uJose Rivero abuild up ekhona sikhuluma ngePirates hayi ukuthi uhambile wasign abo ma 15 players wadu ucontinue ithole the team it just add one abonomtejela and stuff that's all you understand and same team just a different team compare ka Jose Rivero Pirates ka Jose bedlala ngespeed from the word go and they failed to manage ama game you understand even I think into emshayeli ulo Rivero ukuthi aluze ibhetwe premiership ngoba uke wahlala lapha I think first 6 months first half of the season so what the team yakhe ba build up bakwazi manage game players they show up you understand and they had special players so continue and walungisa the but what nje continue but mele ngisho ngikale ngamdoubt ngoba ngisho coach ama special players njenge Pirates kungukuthi besekulewe foundation bekumele aziprove you understand but he was prove again he won trouble and in style not yabo njoba ngisho abantu bathola 7-8 they will bazokutrain mfethu Pirates they are fit ngezwe manqoba yazi ama player a big players big team players ithinga ichaze kahle akusi izwi coach babe fit njengala ma team abo TX Galaxy and stuff young players the young team abanjengabo Chess Galaxy, they still need to prove themselves. But the big names like Orlando Pirates players, the way bagijima ngakhona kusho ukuthi start training. It tells the commitment, the level of bas committee. Because they run, it means they're training. They give it all. We should be sacrifice all about. So Pirates are fit. So compliment to Wadu. He deserve a coach of the season. I Poliola's improve and Begmele Bambu is that guy and he understand players.
Yeah.
Thing you notice he is a far figure at Orlando Pirates. And thing in Bonnie they make players happy.
Yeah.
Any into footing some compliment on high. I last year challenging the Sundowns that guy. Challenging the Sundowns and every time he played Sundowns, Bega, he had a plan to beat Mamelodi Sundowns. Let me put it that way.
Yeah, but he did not. He did it once and he did not when it mattered the most.
Yeah.
Let's also not forget that part.
Yeah.
Because when it mattered the most on that Wednesday at FNP Stadium, what happened there?
I can't fault the coach there.
Okay. So it was the players' fault.
Left of concentration from Sbisi. But the coach playing like a Spanish for me. Watching the game. Yes, obvious. What mean I by then. But when you watch the game, Sbisi left of concentration. Ngobang Shilo, this boy here is just gonna win. Mina for me.
Yes.
No, I'm just saying. Ukuthi le ball ukuzaye kuliyo lapha no
Yeah.
Sbisi. It's a fault yakhe. You understand? Yeah, honestly, Nhlanhla. Angeke ngibheme Wadu yabo. So I mean I won't blame him njoba ngisho kule game eSundowns, it's just a mistake from the defender like uSbisi kule game the game bengaphela nge1-1 and Pirates a chance if evident the chance ayitholile first 5-6 minutes punish game be changer ngoba uthola chance waba yi1 if you recall FNB bekumele bury that chance ifolta kanjani coach ngoba uRono nenza iplando amphasa la yabo and then goal.
Yeah.
So ifolta kanjani coach so so Nhlanhla honestly I Pirates mfethu ngiyaqolisa I Pirates is different yabo babuyele back kulento yabo le njengoba ngisho le yabo gift cheese dukuduku Selma Tunes so Perry Motapa Albertina I defense structures structured yes izo support ama wing back but the line attackers and special attackers yabona police for me iBolalas yabo ngisafuna ukumona season yonke.
If uzohlala isizini yonke.
Yeah,
that's also
if
another one.
Yeah. But ukumlose and then kuzoba ne jive because yabo but enye into ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalo mfana lo ongene second half.
Ukabelo
Khutsile.
Kabelo Khutsile, yeah.
Talented. Hayi. Nhlanhla akungithatha isikhathi ukuba Nhlanhla exciting player. Leya angicompare ama player mara mina uzobona ibhale phansi. Kuyamfana loya. It's going to be an important player for Paris this year. Angimfaki pressure ngithi uyovala icathulo sikabani. That's a big mistake that we're doing.
Yes. Comparing players and then saying that
But Leah.
He's a man to watch.
Nhlanhla mina I don't care about running you. When a speed technically very good. Mina must start decision making ngimishayile.
And that's what he got right.
Wakazi kuzenzela space. Decision making ngimishayile. That boy was kuzenzela space. Ubheke le bhola mabele switch out and sell le la second half ngale. Omunye umuntu angambona i1 lapha just to run off the ball abeda. Bese ubheke first touch. You understand ubheke decision making. Unenye hala mfana ibhola lazi. Yabona that boy I know abomremi they've done well for Orlando Pirates. But watch it and ucomputer na. Hayi uzodlala. Is going to be impact player umremi because angiba compare mara ngichaza ukuthi bu special bomfana angithi sengikhulumela hayi le gem le iPirates ngiyazi bamthola angithi sometimes ngihlale ngikhuluma ngedevelopment I don't think was proper developed udlale nge raw talent ngambona against iPirates playing against for adlalela baRocorini and then they loan him there and then I think progress yakhe idelay because of the proper development but the natural talent yabo kunama player njengala njoba ngisho abolochi nabo development ilekhile but special talent ipoint lamile la loya Nhlanhla khona into azoyenza kuPirates and there's a lot that is going to achieve individual with Orlando Pirates there's a lot in South Africa as well there's a lot that is going to achieve individual with Pirates and individual and with South African football kuba fans lo mfana angisurprisile kakhulu and technically superior as well. So iJam Lianhlanhla, given time, iJam Liana. So him and Tansel, I'm very excited and yeah.
To see what they have to offer this
Well
season.
deserved Orlando Pirates win Saturday.
And talking about Orlando Pirates winning on Saturday, they won a lot at the PSL Awards. They won almost everything that was there to win. Coach won. Let's start with the coach. Was he deserving? It's an obvious one. He deserved it. He won the league, right? So there's nothing to talk about there. Big I deserve.
Ayikho into engizoyikhuluma.
Ayikho ne?
Yeah,
All right,
Ngabe
let's talk.
ngiyamhlolela.
Fine. Then Oswin Police again won midfielder of the season. Was that a worthy one? Because he was going against Utebza and other people saying Gutsi, they would have given it to Tebza. It was him, Tebza, and Urlebukhil that were in that category.
Late debatable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our police cone award bekumele win. I don't have a problem with that. Not midfield of the season. Especially if Tebza is nominated.
Yeah.
Okay, really awuwaqoqile.
Yeah, waqoqile yena mfana.
So midfield of the season debatable. Yes, it's a game of opinion. Yabo, but no. Tebza mfethu. Midfield of the season. No
Should
chance.
have been.
Yeah, honestly Tebza mnikeni uTebza yabona. Apolice kune award bebangamnika lona. Yabona. You should have created another award for him. But
Category.
yes, akuna problem. But midfield of the season, lapho sabamsqueezer. They were squeezing him.
And then you also said defender of the season, Siema deserved it and he got it. Even though we had said Guti, given the history of the PSL, given what Ukhuliso Mtau has done, he deserved it, but Siema got it.
Yeah, looking at the age kamndawo nalomjita lo, mfana lo. Bright future yiwo ngithi bafana bemela vayi. Yabo coach yenze ngitshelile ngeWorld Cup. Star lesanhlanhla. Mangithi star wishinga ngene enhloko yomfana.
Yeah.
Can remain. Mangithi star ngikhulumeli language nje yabona na inhloko mele idumbe and stuff. A bright future ahead of the boy. Pirates to the jam lapha yabo and well developed yabo ngikhulume nenyawo Thumedu beyispana ku Tex Galaxy says the one who discovered him. Mina ngifan development. I do research yabo. I met another guy at Sundowns, his coach Sundowns development. And then we had the chat bengibukele one day lapha school ngibukele school yabo ngishaya around kanti school behlane Sundowns. I met this coach kwafika la sicoca athi ungizwile ngimention uSiyema ngiyazi ukuthi umfana umdiscover. So well developed masengilandela history mfana.
Okay.
Started at Tex Galaxy development and stuff. And well done kusina side Tex Galaxy Pirates embona. It's complimented Pirates technical team ukubona leli talent as well. Coming into Orlando Pirates. Ayifike akusilula ukusuka kubo Tex Galaxy uqokelela jezi ufike elifithe like glove. Very important player for Orlando Pirates. Unkorele last year igoli eli-equalize against Richards Bay. A defender wathatha accountability, responsibility. Team is losing. What I'm going forward, I'm leaving the back open. Okanye spisisala mina nyokore and then go and score. And actually tap in. We talk about the goal that you risk. Outside the box, good technique, a power behind the ball, picking the spots. Well done to the boys. So, lemfana udlala indima enkulu ku Pirates and Inhlanhla special player ngibonile mfethu emagameni ukuzaswa. Ngisakhuluma reading the game, technically very good, very comfortable on the ball. Yeah, check the space. Defensive midfield can play. For me, ngoba ngadlala la embizini ngimbonile kwazi kuyenza. So Mfana nangeka last Pirates. It's gonna go abroad. Since Pirates, they are players.
Yeah.
I think Unkotha has opened up doors. Really, abo Mbogazi. Really. Uyalandela. Bhala phansi uyalandela Nhlanhla. Ngicela uthathe iball pen
Nesikhathi ngibheka isikhathi ngibhale phansi.
yeah ne date nenyanga yeah. It's gonna leave. So we deserve le mfana.
All right. And then, of course, Relebogile Mofokeng scooped everything that was left there. Player of the season, the biggest one, which was footballer of the season, and young player of the season as well. Well deserved. Any issues there, or did he deserve all of them?
Aye. Last khuluma ngemvula ndothi. Imvula yamatshe.
Yeah.
Awusunkulunkulu usukenza ngamabomu akaveza italent eliso. Ngiyazi ukuthi debatable abanye asikeleni umona.
All right.
Yeah, umona yazi njani? Yes, you can't falter people ngeopinion yabo. But umuntu othi blind ngalo yamfana uye waba blind wavala amehlo with the boy. To go to the World Cup at the age of 19 as a South African player. Yeah, outside other countries.
Is he not 21?
21. I mean to say, the last time I saw, 21, sorry.
Yes.
21 years going to the World Cup.
Yeah.
Yes,
Lamine Yamal is 19 and is a World Cup winner.
That's why ngisho ngimamele
Sikhuluma ngala.
I'm
Okay.
talking about South African.
All right.
Yabo?
Yeah.
In other ways, ngizama ukuthi well done to the boy. Yabo? Nokuthi bamselected I World Cup. And fearless. Udlalile la. Hlanhlalo yamfana to carry Orlando Pirates. Mina ngisasho namanje, I don't care who says what. Pirates won treble, but that boy,
Played a crucial role.
yeah, he won games for Orlando Pirates. Yeah, he won games for Orlando Pirates. Kunama player njoba ngisho uNkulunkulu usuka yenza ngabo mina confused into njengale. And ama player njengalawa majority they are no longer playing. And abanye aba last, yabo. Kuba i2 season. Hey, uyazande nomfana uphuma endleleni.
Yeah.
But basuke bamsave mina masingi understand yabo ukuthi uNkulunkulu nedlozi lakhe umfana bamsave because people can kill you when you achieve big things at the early age uqala manje ukudelela the arrogance yabo. Remember people come to you, you don't like uyikibo.
to them,
And abanye beza ngama intentions are wrong. So mangithi kuwe uNkulunkulu wenza ngamabomu lo yamfana special talent after kubona yabona after isikhathi eside Pirates iplay likhiphile. The young angikhulumi ngeplayer labo 27 26 South African football,
Yeah.
Pirates and South African football, kule age akuyo first season you rise. You deserve wonke lama awards cause kulama player lawa bamnominate now. Hi, a league player that could come and scoop the awards and well deserved. What a special talent and ngibonge nje nokuthi I rap I overseas and hambe manje amncane.
Yeah.
Lamfana uqeda kuwina during manje
Super
weekend
Cup.
and scored the winning penalty.
Yes.
Enhlanhla you need a strong character. Phela abantu bayakwata sometimes and anginandaba unfortunate sorry ngiyabahlonipha but anginandaba sorry enhlanhla. Yabona ukudlala ku Pirates ufike ube star player uChiefs akusebaba. Umncane at the early age from development bangakuthenganga get the experience uzibone zonke. No, we talking about the player that was in a mature year. Yabo ufika ku Orlando Pirates you rise, you play not sitting on the bench uza ngama sub. You come at Lomfana lo I remember a season before last. He came last 15 minutes which was Mbekile Nhlane Sundowns on in the game to poke the ball. Le antaxi coaching le. Kunama game lawa kule manje towards the season yaphela and competing against Sundowns experienced players. Go Sundowns abo Sales abo Leo and then competing le mfana winiless games I won. I ukuthi bebangithi abo police yes abo police they needed the boy to perform true unali talent but the boy so lo yamfana Nhlanhla sorry mfethu ngiyaqolisa mfethu ngiyabonga no wadi ukuthi ambelieve emfaneni yabo alibeli because you need
that.
you only could has been given a chance. He gave the boy a platform and azanga biza acabanga arothi mfana dlala. He played and whether off or what he plays him ukuthi miyeke ngoba ezusho yamile ngeke uzumkhipha yamile noma ngabe off something can come up or Mbappe or Neymar whoever you can't take out that player special player like him so what a special talent and angazi uyothatha isikhathi esikanani ukutholakala there's a boy ngiyezwa nje kancane bakhuluma ngaye lo mfana lo uPhopho umpho but really man I love Phopho but really a special talent so Nhlanhla deserve mfethu
Deserve everything that he got.
Yeah.
So are you happy? Danson got the goal of the season, deservedly so.
what a special goal uShaban
Yeah.
yabo because
Number one captain, number one goalkeeper. Yes, in South Africa.
yeah number one special not he was not on top of his game before the World Cup yeah Marumshayi asikhuluma ngeplayer that graduated nalo development
Yeah.
and bonke labafana ukukhuluma ngabo ngikhuluma ngedevelopment 1 ulomfana uSiyema 2 Relebogile Mfokeng 3 Apolis na SuperSport development uzwile kwanele copy discover team and development 4th ulomfana uDancel School of Excellence 5th Vet Boy play of the season kumtsipe championship
Yeah.
development hayi mfethu Nhlanhla niyayibaleka is proven
Yeah,
yabo
yeah.
is proven unfortunately mele abantu bavume is proven ama player akhishwanga mali eningi Nhlanhla la sikhuluma
Developed players.
so nurturing the talent so ya Nhlanhla honestly ilento engikhuluma ngayo ngithi uyadeserve udansele umshayeli yo left footed yo and nenye into lela bhola yo the eye contact yebhola ibhola lidrobhanga and liza from high mshayeli yombambile uRonwen so deserved.
Well deserved. All right, as we wrap up the conversation Yama PSL Awards, let's also get into something special that South Africa received from the Belgian tactician, which is Hugo Broos, serving 5 years because he was signed in May 2021. And then after being signed, his mandate was clear. Take us to the World Cup. And I don't remember much about the AFCON, if there were many expectations of him, but obviously there were expectations of that. And then he did something that he brought us glory. He brought us a medal. Yes, it was a bronze. He brought us a bronze medal. And then for the first time after 16 years, South Africa qualified go World Cup. And for the first time in the history of South African football, we qualified to the round of 32. And he decided with Taiba Fetu, I'm good, I'm enough. There was rumors of there were expectations ukuthi he could last like I think 2 more years in his contract, but he opted not to extend that and decided with no guys, I've done enough. And some people say you must know when to leave the room. And you must leave the room while it's still full. Was that a wise decision for him to step down now and say, Kishapu kalona, and I'm moving on?
Nhlanhla thi ngicompliment leya coach Hugo Broos Spanile iqale 2021
May 2021.
yeah I remember so uthe makafika into engimcomplimentela yona ukuba stereotyped very arrogant coach engayingeni abantu abanjalo I think they survive life in yabo yeah obvious angene imthande nonke I mean he's not money ukuthi singamthanda sonke true yabo whatever bekayenza bemsebenzela compliment to the coach ukuthi abe stereotype arrogant sometimes confuse the nation yabo
but he delivered the results.
Yeah mele ngimention never last year siye ku AFCON semi-final we lost against Nigeria and lonto leyo nakhona it was special and special last thole khona
Especially last thole khona
last thole khona yabona
yeah usithole vele most people bebangazingeni
miserable
yeah
and wasisa ku AFCON even now ngikhuluma this year
yes
and World Cup we qualified started losing waluza first game 2-0
yeah
ama doubts and then last 32 so well done to Hugo Broos sponsor kushayile 5 years if not mistaken
it's 5 years.
5 years well done to the coach I think uSpanile lwamjita arrogance yakhe imsizile but mina yazi it's for me mina ngeke ngizokutshela ngaye I mean nginama lo amaningi akunankinga noma ngavaya sorry coach for me that's my opinion anyway the coach did very well for himself nabanye abantu and yeah numbers don't lie compared to people esike saba nabo yabo for me man njoba ngihlale ngisho a Pirates Sundowns plays a major role for the coach. When Pitso was there, other coaches, Alberto Pereira, the list goes on. When they were there, the support, Yama play a team up at Premiership, they never got for me. Nkuluma a team that competed Champions League, Kev. We talk about the Sundowns that won Star 2016, a well-assembled team. Coach Agariska nguthathe bona labo bantu ngikhuluma ngale season about 9 players at Sundowns yes 9 and about 8 starting among check lapha 8 yes 8 8 players starting so that's why ngithi other coaches azange babe that fortunate yabo uthola ukuthi uyaphika then the team ine one uthatha 2 uthatha 3 uthatha 2 uthatha 1 uthatha you understand very difficult for other coaches but now compliment no coach ukuthi ayibone leyo nto ayilapha but as far as the room I had Rulani was behind obviously AFCON last year ngikhuluma in terms of the advice of the coach
okay
there was a even rumor ngayizwa and ne peak ngayibona Rulani there so this year Orlando Pirates came to the party even last season Pirates went to lose semi-final, Champions League. That's why I get coach lucky. And then he had to pick between Pirates and Sundowns easy. It's like Spain when they won the World Cup, they pick Barcelona and Madrid. That's why I'm considered as a lucky person. So now, going to the World Cup, pick Orlando Pirates and Sundowns players. And numbers don't lie. Who dominated like I'm a winner, like I'm talking about winning South African football. I'm talking about gold, about silver. It's Orlando Pirates and Sundowns. Sundowns won the star. Now Orlando Pirates win treble. So I think coach, that's why Mina is privileged. Like he's so lucky. I consider him as a lucky person because the brand of football that we play, it's questionable. Every time he goes, we have Vigo coach. You go with 7 defenders and then you win that game 1-0. Individual talent from the players. We've got special talented players, and we've got players that can, if we can go offensive with proper structure, with the coach that will lay a process lento njengoba ngisho. Mina that's why I wish they can give pizza now. Well done to the coach Siyabonga, angesimkhohle obvious, but noma ngavaya na yenzile ijob yakhe angengamamanga ngoba obvious abanye abantu angeke ngibablame mabanga they could did very well Junior. I will never falter na angeke ngifalte labo bantu, but mina manje indlela okudlala kithi sibonile abo Spain they won in style. You draw against Spain ndala ngana nshaya izandla baqale ngedraw, and then because of they know who they are and the philosophy, abo Spain bakhuluma ngabo philosophy, the culture, identity. Lento mangikhuluma uJunior ugula phela khona abantu bavele batadlulisa umehlo negone. Just listen there, the philosophy, lento bathi philosophy process mfethu, abo culture nhlanhla ayiqali ngebhola. Kufana nawe manje, you can stay in Sentini if kini they were doing into zesintu, mhlambe lento iyekususe from Spirit Soweto Davidton, uNkulunkulu neinhlanhla zakho zivuleka from ekhaya kune process beniyenze esintu, the culture, isiko lakini yile lakuthathela ikubekela eSentini. Mawufika la lezo zinto ungasazenzi, you'll go back there. Yabo, so iculture into ezinjengalezo. So ngiyaxolisa Nhlanhla, we've got special talent here. I wish you can identify coach that will lay a proper structure. Relaxing in about results. Relaxed. Simnigili you process respect. I don't know why. Simnigili. Relax. For me, it's Yasmin now with why Simnigili. So relax. And you was cool me the politics South African football. We need people votes for a Safa president. Then the deep cool anyway. After we appoint the coach, that's relax. We lay a coach that will lay a proper structure. And then a coach that will structure these junior international. I'm talking about identifying coaches. A coach that will also link on PSL coaches. A coach that will emphasize the Safa president that will emphasize this thing. Invest a lot of money in development. About school soccer. We talking about
under 17, under 20, under 23.
That's what I'm saying. Njoba ngasho kwesigcineni ngibona under 23 dlala, under 20, under 17. Okay, under 17 inokudlala COSAF, vela ngeCOSAF, so you had hardly ukuthi badlala friendly game. It goes with the budget and not with ayikho. And njoba Michael ashilo last, we need to invest to educate these younger coaches, especially baselection. True, lento ngayidele VAR. And mina ngisasho ne school soccer. And these coaches lawa Nhlanhla esihlale shiko, they are coaches except abanganawo these qualifications in terms of certificate, but very knowledgeable.
Okay, Junior, we need to wrap this up. Can we just do predictions, because we've got the MTN 8 coming up this week as well. And last but not least, we've got the MTN 8 coming up this weekend. We've got the current Betway Premiership champions, MTN 8 champions, which is Orlando Pirates, playing against the Nedbank Cup champions, which is Durban City. Give me your score prediction for that one.
Yeah, I know Orlando Pirates, they're going to win that game. If not mistaken, they're going to win 3-1.
Okay. And then we've got Kaizer Chiefs playing against Mamelodi Sundowns is playing against Polokwane City. Your score there?
Yeah, there's a Sundowns will win that game. I see about even 4 goals. Yeah, 3, 4. Yes,
Okay.
true, Nabo.
All right, cool. And then we've got Kaiser Chiefs playing against Golden Arrows.
Izoyiwina i-Arrows leya game. I think it's going to be the real test for Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think they're okay, mina Nhlanhla. Yes, kuna that motivation and they've got spectators, abanama expectations. Yes, bablame abantu. Ama-spectators with Kaizer Chiefs, they're always this way every season. I think
Your score?
Yeah, Izoyiwina i-Arrows 2-1 that game.
2-1, Arrows.
Yeah, Arrows.
All right, and the last game is Sekhukhune versus Amazulu. Your score there?
Yeah, Uata uzoyina that game. Uata he's got a well-assembled team.
Score?
It's gonna win on penalties. Uzoyina ngama-penalty.
Sure.
Uyibhale phansi, yeah.
All right, sharp. And that is how we wrap this episode of Junior Kanye TV. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and commenting on the content that we are giving to you. We'll see you again next week. Remember, this episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting. #Bet with the best. #WSB. Thank you, Siabong.